Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Messenger and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.